So yesterday we have seen we started journey of
Hello, sir.
marginal
Sir.
cost.
Hello, Binder.
Sir,
Yes.
sir.
Oh, sir, Binder, Binder. Chalo, chalo,
Yes,
Binder,
Keval,
Binder.
tell me.
Yaar, Binder.
केवल बता यार.
सर मैं
कोई problem
ट्रैवलिंग में हूँ तो
कोई बात नहीं.
सर मैं
No problem. Okay, so we have seen there were.
So I'm not able to edit my profile. I don't know why it's not happening. Like I'm clicking on it, but it's not showing up.
Okay, next time we can. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
now we do not have to waste our time. Well, the things what we have learned till now in marginal costing was the first basic kind of question where they will give us the formulas or certain details. We apply the things in formulas and we'll get those answers. Am I right? Might be change in profit upon change in sales into 100. This is the basic formula for PV ratio or break-even sales in rupees or in units and in values or volumes, etc., etc. So today we will be seeing if there is a changes in that values, then what is going to happen. We'll see those aspects in today's session. For that, we need to start with question number 6. Okay, so today we'll be taking first question number 6. So I told you there is little corrections in the question number 6 yesterday only. Just give me 1 second. Then question number 6, kindly take down the selling price as rupees 10. Here, please add few values after this. Write down selling price rupees 10, variable cost rupees 6, selling, yeah, 10, variable, rupees, these are the details which has not been printed there. So kindly take down so that it will be easier for you to handle this question. Then what they are asking, you are required to calculate the PV ratio first, then break even point, then margin of safety. Okay. So of course it is per unit, so unit wise we will calculate first. also create the revised PV ratio. So they want us to do the revision. Okay. If revised PV ratio, break even and margin, if selling price is reduced by 10%. So there is a reduction of selling price by 10%. What will be impact of these ratios? That also they wanted to know us from in this question. I'm keeping everything open for you all so that we can follow all these things in our solution. Now what all is given here? Can anybody tell? क्या दिया हुआ है? The units is given 15,000. Okay, so my calculation will be for 15,000 units. Okay, selling price is given 10 rupees, variable cost is given 6 rupees, and fixed cost is given 34,000. So let me use all this. Selling price 10, variable cost 6, fixed cost 34,000, and unit is given as 15,000. Am I right? These things are already given in the question. So this we can put it in red. Consider question में दे रखी है. Clear है? You all can solve along with me, no problem. So the sales is 10 rupees per unit, and the actual quantity sold is 15,000. What will be total sales?
1,50,000.
1 lakh.
50,000.
Absolutely right answer. What will be your variable cost?
90,000.
Shabash. Then what is the value of contribution?
60,000.
50.
Very good. Fixed cost is given. So what is the profit and loss?
26,000.
So the current, what they are asking, you can easily get all three things. In value also, in volume also. Yes or no? So what is the PV ratio? We will follow the same formula. Even per unit also you will take, you will get the same answer. Total unit also if you take, you will get the same answer.
40%.
Yes, the right answer is 40%. Everybody is getting.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the break-even sales in value? What is the formula? Fixed cost upon PV ratio.
$85,000.
Everyone is getting. See, all questions are formula based. So you should get the answers. Yes or no? You're enjoying? Very good. Thank you, Jinal, Ayush, Jinal. Yes, the right answer is 80. Can we get the value in unit also? Fixed cost upon contribution per unit. वही फॉर्मूला है ना? आप लोग फॉर्मूला लिखने का
सर 8500
8500 नहीं लिखने का, बोलने का 8500 यूनिट्स। क्या लिखेगा उसको?
हाँ 8500
ठीक है, 8500 units. Can we get margin of safety also in both value and volume? आ जाएगा? आएगा? How we can get that? Tell me. How we can get that? Total sales minus break-even sales in rupees and in unit also. Total sales and break-even sales in rupees also. है ना? In both it will come.
$65,000.
Very good. And how many units?
6,500 units.
Shabash. आ गया. Any difficulties to anyone? समझा? This is actual. Now what they want to do the revision? They wanted to do the revision here. They asked the selling price will reduce to the extent of कितना कम होगा?
And 10%.
So the new selling price will be how much?
9 rupees.
So 10 rupees का 10% is 1. So the new selling price is 9. New variable cost will remain same. अगर changes बोलता तो we could have done it. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? So the variable cost will be 6 only. Contribution then? How much is your contribution?
3 rupees.
Can we multiply and get these answers? By
Yes, sir.
multiplying 15,000, get me all these answers.
Sales is 1,35,000.
Okay. Variable cost,
90,000.
and for contribution is 45,000.
fixed cost will remain same. Yesterday भी आपने देखा था. Yes or no? It can't change. What is the profit or loss?
9,000.
$11,000.
अब सारे ratios, सारे formulas, you can get me the answer over here. Calculate and keep it ready. I'll ask from any of you. what will be the PV ratio, what will be the break even sales, same thing what we did actual device में करना है in values and volume. I can ask anyone, keep it ready. करके रख So how much answer you are getting? Can you share what is the PV ratio? Other than Jinal, Jinal Ayush नहीं बोलेगा. ये दोनों बच्चे को छोड़ के. Anyone? What is PV ratio? Any of you can get me the answer, please. No one? बहुत simple है. Very simple.
Sir,
Okay, Sitika, go ahead.
Sir, PV ratio is 33.33%.
Okay, 33. PV ratio is 33.33%. Then
Break-even sales is 1,03,030.
break-even sales.
sir, break-even sale is 1,02,000. Right?
3-digit ले लो.
And then margin of safety is 33,000.
Margin of safety.
So margin of safety 33,000. 33,000.
Units.
in units 3. It's divided by 54. 9.
यूनिट कितना आ रहा है?
11,333.
मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी का यूनिट मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी इनल तो ही बता दें, इन लोग तो नहीं हो रहे।
So 3,667 margin of safety.
So these are the answers. So any kind of modification they may give. अभी तो सिर्फ सेलिंग प्राइस पे था, वेरिएबल पे भी हो सकता है, फिक्स पे भी हो सकता है, कोई भी मॉडिफिकेशन करके क्वेश्चन दे सकते हैं। तो अगर फिक्स पे होगा तो टोटल अमाउंट से आपको वेरी करना है, अगर वेरिएबल पे होगा तो पर यूनिट से वेरी करना है, whatever the details is given. ओके, समझा आप लोगों ने? क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कल करवाया था ना मैंने,
हाँ असाइनमेंट में दिया था।
बस हो गया। अब तो इसमें कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं है जो आप नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते। So now you go through all the questions, do it. Now again we will be meeting on Friday. Friday आप लोग आ सकते हैं ना? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
ऑफलाइन
अब सारे क्वेश्चन खुद से सॉल्व करो, जो नहीं आएगा मैं तुमको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा या इसके पिक भेज दूंगा। अब आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग के क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? ऑल क्वेश्चंस नाउ यू कैन डू इट। ये तो मैंने ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं पहले। तो उसमें क्या हो सकता है, मैक्स टू मैक्स दे मे डिफर योर, दे मे चेंज एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे विल आस्क यू टू गिव द रिवाइज। द बेस इज दीज फॉर्मूलाज। ये फॉर्मूलाज अगर आपको आते हैं then whatever the modification they are putting it in the question, easily you can incorporate and you can solve those questions. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? So kindly
हाँ, sir.
do the practice, सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें आप लोग। उसमें अगर कोई डिफिकल्टीज होता है तो मुझे बताएं। नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग विच इज नोन एज मैनेजरियल डिसीजन। इसके बाद का जो टॉपिक है कि हाउ दिस मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग, वेदर ब्रेक इवन का डिटेल्स और फिक्स कॉस्ट फिक्स, वेदर वी विल टेक इट, वेदर इट इज गुड दैट वी शुड produce or we can buy from outside, make or buy decision or best sales mix, or we should accept those export order or not. ये सारे type के questions we will be taking care in the next chapter which will starting from the Friday. अभी तो आप लोग engage हो ना, कल से lectures है। Which days you are having lectures? अभी आप क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो।
So can you repeat? I couldn't hear you.
See, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday you have your lecture. Monday there is an extra lecture. So Friday there is a Dasera. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Still I am going to keep your lectures because your exams are approaching. Exams are there, no? Yes or no? Any internal, these two chapters are there.
Yes, sir.
Marginal and managerial. You don't know it.
Sir, only first two chapter will come, marginal and application of margin
Yes,
for unit.
for this unit exam.
Okay, sir, thank
Okay? We'll be taking up these questions based on managerial decisions in next week. Okay? If required, then again I will take additional lectures on Saturday and Sunday. Till then, be careful, be at home, enjoy your Navratri, enjoy all the festivals with following COVID protocol. Avinash, I cannot share any question and solution. These are the question and solution which is there on my website. Kindly download the book. Many of your friends and colleagues has downloaded. So already दिया हुआ मैं वापस क्यों दूं भाई तरह की? I don't believe on spoon feeding. Okay, you can download or any of the textbook you can follow. Irrespective. मेरा काम है आपको टॉपिक एंड कंसेप्ट समझाना. कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा आप सॉल्व करने चाहिए. Am I right? ठीक है dear student.
Sir, on website, which book is suitable for us for
To
M.Com?
find out लिखा हुआ है M.Com के लिए कौन सा बुक है सेमेस्टर 1. Am I right?
सर बट वो थोड़ा भूल गया मैं, इसलिए वापस.
सुन लो ना, भूल गया मतलब हर एक चीज थोड़ी सुखाने का होता है. अभी तुम M.Com में पढ़ रहे हो तो M.Com का ही बुक ढूंढेगा ना, FIJC का तो ढूंढेगा नहीं.
यस यस सर.
तो ढूंढ इतना तो कर,
ओके ओके सर.
ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा तेरे को. है ना. अभी जैसे देखो जीनल को देखो, हिनल को देखो, आयुष को देखो, इन लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड करके रखा है. मैं फ्री में दे रहा हूँ, तभी इसके लिए आपको उसका भी कदर नहीं है. अभी तक आपने बुक भी डाउनलोड नहीं किया है. And this week I am going to check the assignment once again for entire
Sir, what-
marginal costing. Okay, marginal costing के जितने भी questions मैंने दिए हैं, keep it ready. And Janvi, I need that Excel sheet also because my evaluation will be on continuous basis. These children who are attending regular lectures, right, giving their feedback, their class attentiveness is very high, is definitely going to get out of marks as compared to others. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye and take care.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.